Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind or your wallet. Today, we're taking to the skies with two mini drones, the RADCLO mini drone and the DEERC drone D70. Will one fly high above the other? Or will they both crash and burn? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us: price. The RADCLO mini drone comes in at a budget-friendly $62, while the DEERC drone D70 is a bit pricier at $79. So if you're looking to save some bucks, RADCLO is already ahead by a nose, or should I say, a propeller. Next up, let's talk about the camera quality. Both drones come equipped with a 1080p HD camera. The RADCLO mini drone boasts a 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, which is great unless you're as lazy as I am and prefer everything automated. On the other hand, the DEERC drone D70 offers Wi-Fi real-time transmission, so you can instantly share your epic fails, amazing footage, with the world. Both cameras are solid, but the DEERC's real-time sharing feature gives it a slight edge. Reviewers also note that while RADCLO's camera is functional, DEERC's connectivity makes it a winner. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're like me and think altitude hold is a yoga pose. The RADCLO mini drone features one-key takeoff, landing, and stable altitude hold, making it user-friendly. But hold on to your hats, folks, because the DEERC drone D70 takes it up a notch with one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Basically, it's so easy to use, even your dog could fly it, though I wouldn't recommend that. DEERC takes the win here, and reviewers agree that it's very beginner-friendly. Now, let's dive into the fun stuff. The RADCLO mini drone offers high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and 3D flips. It's like the drone version of a circus performer. But wait, the DEERC drone D70 isn't just sitting idly by. It comes with tap fly, voice control, gesture selfies, throw to go, 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. DEERC clearly wins the fun features battle, and reviewers highlight its versatility. Portability is next. The RADCLO mini drone is larger and comes with a carrying case, making it convenient for outdoor travel. It even includes extra accessories like batteries and propeller guards. Meanwhile, the DEERC drone D70 can literally fit in your pocket. It's so small and foldable, you might lose it in your couch cushions. If you're always on the go, DEERC's palm-sized convenience is unbeatable, and reviewers love its compact size. Finally, let's talk about customer support. RADCLO offers 24-hour technical support, a quality warranty, and a money-back service. Pretty solid, right? But DEERC steps it up with 7*24H full-time after-sales service and a 1-year free replacement. Plus, they've sold over 1.5 million units annually, so they must be doing something right. DEERC takes the crown in this category too, and reviews confirm their strong customer support. Summarizing the reviews, RADCLO mini drone is praised for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, especially for indoor use. However, some users had issues with wind control and customer service. On the other hand, the DEERC drone D70 is lauded for its compact size, user-friendly features, and strong customer support, though a few reviewers mentioned initial connectivity challenges. So there you have it, smart shoppers. While the RADCLO mini drone is a fantastic budget-friendly option with great features, the DEERC drone D70 swoops in with a bit more pizzazz, user-friendliness, and portability. Which one will you choose to take to the skies? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.